Welcome back to Mrs. English channel. Today, I will tell you a story called A Day in Emma's Life. This story will help you practice listening, learn new vocabulary, and enjoy a calm, beautiful message. So relax, take a deep breath. Emma's mornings always begin the same: awake, quiet, calm, and full of promise. She opens her window, lets the fresh air in, and says, "Emma, today feels like a good day." Emma makes her lemon tea, not just to drink it, but to slow down the morning. She calls it her tiny ritual. At work, Emma is known as the person who never panics. When everyone rushes around, she simply says, "Emma, let's take it step by step." And somehow, things always get done. During lunch, she escapes into a book. She says reading is like a mini vacation in the middle of the day. In the evening, she takes a peaceful walk, watching the sky change colors. "Emma, golden hour is my favorite hour," she whispered, and filled with little moments that make life beautiful. At night, she writes in her journal one lesson, one memory, and one thing she's grateful for. And that's Emma's day: simple, meaningful.
All right, before we move on, let's explore some interesting words and expressions from Emma's story. Interesting words and expressions. Full of promise means looks like it will be a good day. Example, a morning full of promise. Tiny ritual means a small daily habit. Example, her lemon tea is a tiny ritual. Never panics means always stays calm. Example, Emma never panics at work. Step by step means do things one at a time. Example, let's take it step by step. Mini vacation means a short mental break. Example, reading at lunch feels like a mini vacation. Golden hour means the beautiful time before sunset. Example, golden hour is Emma's favorite moment. Meaningful means full of purpose. Example, her day is filled with meaningful moments. Escape into a book means forget the real world by reading. Example, Emma escapes into a book during lunch. Slow down the morning means make the morning peaceful. Example, lemon tea helps her slow down the morning. Filled with little moments means full of small but beautiful moments. Example, her day is filled with little moments.